Time for your milk. Woo! Time for milk. You see this? Hello guys, this time I'm gonna share to you my babysitting experience with the kids of my sister, Kensi and Lena, in Netherlands. I hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog! Alright guys, so welcome here in Holland, Netherlands. So we're gonna have a house tour with my little angel Kensi. Alright, you're gonna tour me around the house, okay? Alright, where's the kitchen? Where's the kitchen? Come on, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Are we going upstairs? Yeah, can we go up? Okay, let's go. Alright, let's go. Come on. Alright. Whose bedroom? Oh my god. Look at this. It's so cluttery. Alright, whose bedroom is this? Mama and Papa. Yeah? Is this their bedroom? Yeah. Very good. Let's go. Let's go to the other room. Come on. Go, run. Yeah. Wow. Whose bed is this? Kensi. Yeah? Very dirty. Look at these toys. Oh my. Wow. Is this your room? Yay! Look at this! Oh my, the baby! Go down. Alright, we're gonna go down. So it's time for me to change diaper probably. Tito duties. Bing! Lena! Uy! Are you hungry? I will. Give face.
Bonita yan, bibiro.
Why are you covering the face? The face. Covering the face. Why?
Ayaw i-shake.
Alright, so we're done giving milk to baby Lena. Here. Oh, back to sleep again. Say hello, Lena. Are you alright, Kensi? Say hi to the camera. What is that? Stork. And a baby. Alright, let's go. Come on. So we're gonna go tour the neighbor together with my little buddy here. Kensi, say hi to the camera. Hi. Alright, so what you saw earlier, the stork with a baby, you know, outside the house, is like a tradition here in Netherlands. When if someone just gave birth to a new baby, you have to like put it outside just for like good luck or some sort of like symbol, wherein the stork brings the baby inside the house and will guard the baby, you know, and you need to put a flag on with a symbol, like a banner that someone in there was just newly born. Where's the butterfly? Where's the butterfly? There. There's a butterfly. Go. Go. Yeah? Wow. Did you see the pond? Yes, let's go. Let's go now. Look, there's a bike. Where? There, inside the house. Look at this, Kensi. Look at the flowers. Hmm? Hello guys! Good morning! So, today is another day and I'm left alone today to take charge of the house and to babysit my little Lena here in Netherlands. So, first things first, I'm gonna show you first what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna clean the house first and then I'm gonna do some babysitting and let's see if I'll be able to like do it correctly and I'll be able to do it successfully today. Morning, baby. Lena, come. Time for diaper change. La 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 la. Masyado ko na camera. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Time for your milk. Woo! Time for milk. You see this? Hmm? Hmm? All right, go. Very good, yeah. Meow. What is that? Chicken. Where the chicken? How many chicken? 2. How many? So we're gonna play today bikes. Come on. Let me do it. Let me do it. Here. Come on. Go. Go. Go now. Oh no. One, two, three, go. You blow. Wow.